Do you ever get crippling arm pump or so out of breath at the beginning of a race that you feel like you want to pass out? Well, stick around, because in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to mitigate these things. What's up and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my warm-up routine. Supercross riders like Ken Roxon and AJ Catanzaro use very similar warm-up routines, so if it works for the pros, then it will certainly work for us mere mortals. Obviously, if your riding technique and body positioning is incorrect, you are going to get fatigued anyways, but that's neither here nor there. For the purpose of this video, we will just be focusing on the warm-up. We can touch on riding technique and that kind of stuff in another video if you guys would like to see that. Let me know in the comments down below. This routine is super simple and consists of dynamic stretching. Static stretching would usually be reserved for post rides or post training, and I usually do forearm stretches as often as possible. This will help mitigate arm pump as well, and I do a lot of yoga as well. Gotta maintain the flexibility. So this warm-up routine takes about 10 minutes to complete. So if you are at a race, ideally you would want to do the warm-up about 15 minutes, or complete the warm-up about 15 minutes before the gate drops. That just gives you a chance to recover a little bit from the warm-up, and it still leaves you that window where your body is still warm and loose before you start riding. Alright, so I'm gonna throw you guys onto the tripod and we'll start the warm-up. I think we are just gonna do a time lapse, and I'll add some instruction in the bottom with some text on the video. Yeah, let's do it. It's as simple as that. The warm-up does work up a bit of a sweat, but nothing too major. Just have some water before you start riding, and just let your heart rate come down. So before I close out this video, obviously as you can see, I have some of the Mud and Dust Media merch on. We do have an order form available, a temporary online order form. I'll have it linked below this video, I'll have it linked on the screen, and you guys will be able to find it on the Mud and Dust Media Facebook page. So for the moment, We are still having some issues with the international shipping, but if you guys are local to South Africa, go ahead, go over there, click the link, check it out, and order some stuff. Like I said, this is just a temporary order form until we can get the actual website live. That is in the works, so that is basically it. So if you guys found this video useful, please let me know in the comments if you guys use this routine, if it helped for you, or if you guys use a similar warm-up routine. And if it worked for you, hit that thumbs up button and hit subscribe. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Peace out and keep ripping. Alright, so while I go out for a run to train for the races, you guys have 2 more awesome videos to pick from. Or go and check out the merge order form. You won't be disappointed.